So we understood how we upload the question in the ERP, and further how we design a question paper. Further, take for example, a center want to conduct an exam in a center for 20 students. The exam can be for a particular chapter, it can be for a particular subject, or it can be a mock test, it can be a monthly test. The center will take a printout from the ERP, and the student will be given the question paper. The question paper itself is an OMR sheet where they will answer through a pencil marking. Suppose there had been they have given an exam on maths and for a particular chapter profit and loss. The exams was conducted and it took around 20 minutes for the student to solve the exam. At the end of the 20 minutes, the student will give back the answer sheet to the center. The center management will then insert each of this individual sheet in a scanner. Every center will have a scanner. Once they insert this individual paper or answer sheet into the scanner, through our special scanning software, the scanning software will capture the answers automatically out of the answer sheet and will put the marks in the ERP against a particular student. Now this marking, the auto marking is being done respectively for a chapter subject. So if a student want to, suppose a student has been giving exams every fortnightly or every weekly and down 4 months or 5 months, if a student want to check his performance overall, he can check his overall performance. If he want to further filter it to a per subject wise evaluation, he can do that. Even if he wants, he can check it per topic or chapter wise. It will show him in a chart form similar to this. So this really helps a student to analyze or evaluate his performance and give him a understanding about where he needs to improve himself, maybe on a particular topic, on a particular subject, and overall. Along with this system has a percentile ranking system. Percentile ranking system means the ERP will give a student a report where if the student want to check where he stands overall among all the students in the center, it will give him a report. Say for example, a student want to check for a particular subject like maths, and there are 100 students in the center. If he wants to check his standing among 100 students for a particular date or on a particular month, he can see where he stands. Maybe his percentile ranking is 80th. It means that out of the 100 students, he is in the top 80.